So in this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Hisense Roku TV if you don't have any remote control or if your remote control doesn't work anymore. This can be done still if you don't have the remote. So what you need to do is to, first of all, make sure that the TV is powered on. If it's not, go ahead and power it on with the button located under it. If you just tap it once, the screen should come up in like 2 seconds. The button on my case over here is in the middle, but maybe yours is on the right side or the left side. You need to check under your TV, tap on that button. Once the TV is on, the screen is on, you need to go on the back. This is a 43-inch Hisense Roku TV. Maybe yours is slightly different, I have to warn you, but this model over here, if you check on the top above the USB port, we're gonna find a very small button, almost hard to see it. And if we look over here, it says reset. Maybe your button is not located on the same location. Maybe yours is down below. I saw it sometimes right over here, or sometimes it's on the back panel somewhere. You need to find it, and it's always saying reset beside it, just to make sure. So you're gonna take a pencil, a paper clip, something of this nature, because it's hard to press just with your finger, unless you have really long and thin fingernails, I guess. Anyway, you're gonna take your pencil and you're gonna press this button. You're gonna keep it pressed during 10 seconds. Okay, do not release it. If you're gonna release it under 10 seconds, the reset won't be completed. It will simply reboot your TV and nothing will happen really. So over here, keep it pressed during 10 seconds. Do not release it. After 10 seconds, release the button. By the way, the TV will turn off and on multiple times during this time. It's doing the factory reset. Do not touch anything. After 2 or 3 minutes, the reset should be done and you should be on the first setup screen ready to set up your TV like it was brand new. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.